What's up, everybody? Back with some more low heat. These, I wouldn't say they're high heat, but they're, in this day and age of the sneaker market kind of taking a dip, these are going for, especially in the smaller sizes, these are going for, almost twice, almost double. Not quite, but they're not hovering at that price where shoes nowadays hover. Like, it's basically when resellers buy a shoe, they regret it. They're trying to make exactly their money back, and accounting for fees and shipping. They're not going for that. So these, yeah. Anyways, very interested to open these. Very excited. I hit on these on CCS. Shouts to them. I've had a little luck with them once in a while. And I got these in the lady size because she really liked these. So, as you already know, these are the Be True Nike SB Dunks. Here we go. Here's the official name, Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Be True. These are Nike SB Dunk, not a regular Nike Dunk. A little specification there. If you don't know, we'll get into some of the details, what makes them a Nike SB Dunk. And these are in size 7, the ladies' size, 5.5 men's. As you can see by the packaging, proudly in motion, Be True. That's kind of their branding and campaign for the LGBTQ community and any apparel, shoes related to representing that community. Be True being like, be true to yourself and proud of it. And then you got the gradient swoosh in all the colors. There's a couple things I want to address. One, any sort of cynicism, and one, and any sort of group that doesn't like these type of products. Don't get mad. What the main point I want to make is, like, everyone doesn't need to get so mad at differing opinions. It's okay to have differing opinions as long as you're civil, and then you can talk them through, maybe find some middle ground. That's the main point I want to make. But let's just look at the shoes first before, I just want to put that out there in case there's already people who, are a little keyboard happy. So just chill for a second, and then we'll talk. Anyways, let's look at the shoes, because that's what this video is about. It's about the shoes, and I think these are actually better in hand than I thought they would be. I mean, a Nike SB Dunk is a Nike SB Dunk to begin with. It's mainly, you're not dealing too much in quality or materials. This isn't a collaboration. This is a non-collab Nike SB Dunk. But you have a variety of colors here and little details that you can see right away. I'll list them off. I'm not one of those videos that lists off everything, so I'll try to go over most, but more I like to talk about the shoe in different ways, styling it, the market, etc. Here's another one. Here's the other one, I should say. We'll go over that one too. But you got the rainbow stitching here. And rainbow stitching in Be True there. You got this cool little center panel at the bottom, Nike SB. Different colored laces for both. That's cool. I like the stitching there on the tongue tag. You got a very shiny debossed Nike logo on the back. You see that same rainbow color, multicolor stitching, not necessarily rainbow stitching. You got Be True insole on the inside, more of that gradient color cue. That's, I think, is pretty cool, pretty dope. You got Be True on the inside, tongue tag sewn through, different heel tag there, different colors. I really like this. I like the multicolor effect, but not like true rainbow. Man, I heard some old lady at the beach, middle-aged, I'm going to call her old though, saying they take everything. Can't even wear the rainbow anymore. I mean, just, chill out, whatever. I would wear these. I'm, not gay myself, but, rep the community, support the community, have friends that are. Some people are insecure. I don't know why, but, you can just be like, I just like the shoes, like the colors, have friends that are part of the community. You gotta, just, everyone just needs to chill out. Yeah. anyways, I think I'm preaching to the choir with most people who watch this video, so I just want to put it out there in case there's any sort of people who might think contrary. You know, and if you have a comment to make, just make it civil. You know, we don't got to shout at each other. And then mainly, I think I would address the cynical crowd that the Nike just does this to make money. True. Nike is not a perfect company. I give them way too much money, but I would say it's better than the latter. There's plenty of companies during Pride Month that have had faux pas or not supported it. So I guess I'd rather Nike be in the camp of being supportive, even if it's slightly false pretenses. But I think they're the people behind these campaigns mean it. So I will say that. And actually, you know, I got to give Nike credit. These actually, for once, came out during the Pride Month. So they've had a lot of releases that have been lagged way behind. I mean, supply chain issues, etc. So, COVID. There's some excuses, but the last 2 years we've had Halloween shoes come out in spring. We've had freaking what is it? St. Patrick's Day's shoes come out in summer. We've had 420 shoes come out in Christmas. So for one, or the holidays, for once, these came out during the right month, the correct month, I should say. So you got both multicolor laces, a little bisexual lacing there for blue and pink. I like it, and then you have an extra set of all white laces. I like the colored laces. And on top of it, the main thing, SB's got the extra padding around the heel and the tongue. You got a stash pocket, almost forgot that. Stash pocket in both, common feature amongst SB dunks. Don't know why you got to stash stuff anymore. I mean, I guess while you're skating, you don't have a backpack, but, you know, as far as any sort of illegal contraband, most states, weed's legal now, or at least decriminalized. And then around the heel quarter and the toe guard, this wears away. Common trend nowadays. I don't think it's a bad trend though. Common trend, it wears away to reveal color underneath, especially if you're actually using these to skate. You know, when you attempt kick flips, like me, keyword attempt, kick flips, it will the grip tape will strip that pretty quick. And there's different colors. Each shoe's unique, but which lends itself to the theme of all people are unique and individuals. So apparently the underneath layer isn't uniform across all manufactured shoes. So that's dope. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please subscribe. That would be cool. And I could give these a rating. I mean, I would totally rock these if I hit on these in my size. The lady really liked them, so I went for her size. If I had these in my size or had the opportunity, would totally wear them, buy them, rock them. I don't think I'm going to give them super high grade, but I do like them. So let's give them over a 7. I think these get a 7.5. 7.5 out of 10. Digging them. I like the... especially with like all the colors involved, how they're understated. So you got all the colors of the rainbow involved, but they're made predominantly white with the wear away color. So I'm digging that. I like that balance. Not too wild, just a hint of wildness. I almost forgot. Bonus portion of the video. How would you style these? Well, for one, these will go with a lot of stuff. For sure. Pick out a color in here. Definitely go with some neon stuff, some summery clothes. For sure. Purple, pink, orange, yellow. Any of that will go with blue. Bright blue will definitely go with bright green. But as far as socks go, I think you can't go wrong with like some tie-dye socks. These are the wrong ones. That I have some Nike SB tie-dye socks. All my colorful ones, the blue ones, the bright blue ones, are in the dirty laundry, so I only have this gray one here. These would work for sure, but I think the blue, the tie-dye blue would go great with these. Also, if you want some real fancy socks, I just went to the Takashi Murakami exhibit at the Broad in LA here, and how fire would these socks? These like match perfectly. These socks would be real nice with these. So I think these are available online. They're a little pricey, but these would definitely be perfect for those, I think. So yeah, that's my 2 cents on socks with these. So there you go.